Hello, gorgeous people. Welcome back. I am back with yet another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Doreen. If you don't know by now what you're supposed to do, girl, what are you doing? You are supposed to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that next time I post something, you'll be the first one to know. All right, so today I am going to open a box that I found in one of my boys' rooms. I have two boys, and the youngest, my 6-year-old, I was trying to clean his room, and guess what I hid in his closet? A big box. And I am pretty sure I was hiding this box from my husband. He always knows when I order stuff, so I don't even know why I would want to hide it. But we are going to find out what's in this box. I don't know. I am pretty sure it is from Shoe Dazzle or Just Fubs, but I don't know if it is pocketbooks or shoes because I don't even remember when I hid it in there. It could be 2 weeks, it could be a month, it could be whatever. I don't know. You and I are gonna find out. And the other thing that made me not realize what it was is because it doesn't have a name on it. Usually you have the Just Fubs on the box or Shoe Dazzle or whatever, but this one did not. So this is our box. This is our magical box. We are going to find out what is in our magical box right now, right here. All right, let's do this. Let us do this. All right. Let's see what we got. Yep. I kind of had an idea. Oh, upside down for me, upside down for you. God damn it. How am I supposed to do this? Okay, y'all know this is Shoe Dazzle. Okay, so first shoe is a black. Oh, I did show you guys another shoe that looked like. Why would I order the same goddamn shoe twice? I bought one in red. I am pretty sure I forgot I ordered this shoe. This is what happens when you're a shoe addict, like a shoe whore. Yeah. You have seen these shoes before, but you have seen them in red. I ordered the same shoe twice. Okay, let's go to the next one. I will forgive myself later, but she is so pretty. So probably going to be a good giveaway shoe one day. I can't have both. I do have another pair of shoes that I have too, but we'll see. Maybe we'll keep the black and red. Who knows? Y'all let me know. Let's go to box number 2. Magical box number 2. Magical box number 2 is a beautiful shoe, actually. Okay, magical shoe number 2 is black. It's a pretty shoe. Look at that bling on the side. It's a pity I don't remember how much I paid for these shoes. I probably didn't even pay a full price. I will look in my order history and I will find this order and I will include it in the title and tell you how much I paid for these shoes. She's got a zipper in the back. She's got some bling on the side. This one will be nice to use at night. Yes, you would be so pretty to use at night. Look at that heel. Yep, these are pretty. This is a good find. I'm excited. I'm excited. I am extremely excited. I feel like a kid just found a present under the Christmas tree. That's how I feel right now. Oh, these are so nice. Oh, these are so girly, girl. They're pink. Oh, look at that. They got some purple, some red. Yeah. Oh, I like it. Look at that. This is a good find. This is a great find. And I forgot about this stuff. This is a great find. I am extremely excited. These are pretty. These are everyday shoes. These are so pretty. These are really, really pretty. Yes! I am excited. Okay, what do I have here? What do I have here? Oh, these are, ooh. Yes, girl. Don't blame me. Don't you dare blame me. These are gorgeous. Look at that. I am pretty sure I did not pay a lot of money for these shoes, knowing myself. I will include the information. Oh, these are nice. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. And I forgot about these shoes. How would anybody forget about these damn pretty shoes? It's a good find. It's a very happy find, I might tell you. It's a very happy find. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh my God. Doreen, Doreen, Doreen. You buy stuff, you hide stuff, and you forget about stuff. Okay. Look at the details on this baby girl. Look at that. This one would look so good at night with a nice pair of pleather leggings. Oh, yes. Pink, and she is such a girly girl. This one is gorgeous. How would I forget? Guys, I'm so excited. I know I'm talking to myself right now, but if you found a box with shoes hiding in your house and you forgot about it, you would be as excited as I am right now. This is a good damn find. Last shoe is, oh, please be nice, please be nice, please be nice. This is the last one. Oh my God, I ordered the same shoe twice in the same order. I have the same shoe twice. I probably had too much wine before I ordered this. I probably had way too much wine before I placed this order. That is why I even forgot about it. Okay, so this one of them is going to go into the giveaway box. It is going to be a good giveaway. Oh, yes, it is going to be a good giveaway. Actually, let me let you guys have a good look at it. And this one is a size 6.5, I'm pretty sure, because that's usually what I order. Yeah. Ow, excuse me. Yeah, this is a size 6.5. If this is your size and you want it, it's going to be a good giveaway when I get to 100 subscribers. So, y'all help me get rich to those subscribers, y'all. Help a girl out. Come on. This was it. This was my magical box. This was my Christmas gift to myself that I forgot about. Yeah. It's you guys, you won't understand how excited I am right now. I am super duper excited because I was not ready for this. But now I have new shoes and I even forgot that I ordered them. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for keeping up with my craziness. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Bye-bye. Peace and love. See you next time.